If you've ever felt like your paycheck disappears before you can save a dime, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to share the 50-30-20 rule, one of the simplest and most effective budgeting methods to take control of your money without feeling deprived. This method divides your after-tax income into 3 categories: 50% for needs like housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance, 30% for wants like dining out, entertainment, subscriptions, and hobbies, and 20% for savings and debt repayment, including your emergency fund, retirement, investments, or extra debt payments. It's simple, flexible, and works no matter how much you earn. Take your monthly after-tax income, multiply by 0.5 for your needs, 0.3 for your wants, and 0.2 for savings and debt. For example, if you take home $3,000 a month, you'd budget $1,500 for needs, $900 for wants, and $600 for savings. So, one of the best ways to stay on track with your budget is to automate your savings so it's basically gone before you even get a chance to spend it. Also, it really helps to use separate bank accounts for your needs, your wants, and your savings. Oh, and don't forget to track your spending every week just to make sure you don't accidentally slip up. You know, you can totally adjust the percentages based on your situation. For example, if you're working on paying off high-interest debt, you might want to try 50, 20, 30. That's 20% for wants and 30% for savings or debt. Or if you want to invest more aggressively, you could shift to 50, 25, 25. What's really cool about this approach is that it forces balance. You're covering your essentials, enjoying your life, and building wealth all at the same time. No more of that all-or-nothing budgeting mindset. If you want a deeper breakdown of strategies like this, go ahead and download the Wealth Navigator ebook. It's packed with simple tools to help you save more, invest smarter, and work toward financial freedom. You can grab it at https://731wealth.gumroad.com/l/bpdust. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your biggest budgeting struggle so far.